days when the homeland was breathing, Kabul woke up with a smile. The alleys smelled of bread and tea, and the heart was filled with life. Women in men, shoulder to shoulder, in the streets with loud feet, cinemas, lip markets, and light. Those skies, special hearts, and Bible's garden in the evenings. Time walked calmly, home was home. No one feared leading. Afghanistan. Oh, our soul. Oh, the bright dream of years. How beautiful you were. How alive. How peaceful. Before this calamity. Afghanistan, oh, distant love, oh, remaining in blood, yeah, patience. They separated us from you, but not the heart, not the mind. Out of his still stood like a heart in the city's chest. Gem whispered to the rill of eternity. Without anger in me, the song smiled for centuries. They did not know one day would collapse for the crime of history. Was not a news headline, not the name of war, and we did not know that even paradise could be broken. Oh, our soul, oh, the bright dream of years, how beautiful you were, how Russians came with tanks and blood, years of death, and the sky caught fire with bombs and promises.
Move it out! Keep the line formed and move inside! Drop them!
Afghanistan, we left your land, but you never left our hearts.
Your name lives in every breath we take. You are and will always be our home. This song and story are adapted from the book Zinab by Dr. Farid Mostamand. Click the link in the description to discover more emotional Afghan music videos.